Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today we will discuss about UGC approved journal and quick publication journal in the different fields. So लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिए, आपको बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स मिलेंगे जो आप स्टिल सर्चिंग कर रहे हैं और बहुत क्विकली पब्लिकेशन जर्नल्स इन द डिफरेंट फील्ड. सो लेट्स मूव टू site. So first journal name is Springer. Springer is very renowned platform and the journal title is Journal of Entrepreneurship Research. So this journal, as its name indicating, it is especially dedicated to the management discipline. Now about this section will cover all the related about journal. So this journal will describe all the things related to the like the discipline and subject, what types of the subject covered by this journal. So like you can see here, this journal covers the economic, social, cultural context both domestically and globally. So kind of this type of the topics covered by this journal. And this section also covered this about the editorial board member detail and what types of the publishing models. So you can see this is hybrid open access options are available. So if you want to explore more about this journal regarding the open access category, so you can see this detail and by just click on this, so you will get here about the publication charges of this journal. Now most important thing, how many days are required to get the notification. So you can see here 40 days only required to get the first decision, means within 14 days के अंदर आपको मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट का डिसीजन आपको मिल जाएगा whether it is accepted or not or minor changes. And submission to acceptance total time required 132 days. So most probably your research paper will get published within 3 to 4 months. So this is a kind of duration. So it's up to you कि suppose अगर आपका रिसर्च पेपर में कोई भी माइनर चेंजेज एडिटोरियल बोर्ड मेंबर ने आपको सजेस्ट किए, तो आप उसको कितनी क्विकली रिजॉल्व करके आप उसको रीसबमिट करते हैं. सो इट्स अप टू यू एंड दिस इज आल्सो डिपेंड ऑन यू कि कितने जल्दी आप सबमिट करेंगे, उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली वो पब्लिकेशन टाइम का टाइम फ्रेम भी बढ़ सकता है और कम भी हो सकता है, बट एटलीस्ट 4 months आर रिक्वायर्ड. Next one is the about this journal ISSN number. So this journal published only in electronic version, so there is no hard copy or print version is available of this journal. Now abstract index is very important thing. So as we are talking, so this journal is especially related to the or indexed in the ESCI indexing, so and many more indexing. So this is really very good journal. Publisher is Springer. Springer is very renowned platform. Now if you want to explore more about this journal, so just click on the aim and scope. Here you will get all that kind of topics that you can publish in this journal. Like, so here you will get all the related topics and contents, and if you want to submit your research paper, so then you just use this particular tab, submit manuscript. So this tab will redirect it to the submission page. Now if you want to explore the guidelines how we will prepare our research paper and manuscript, so just click on submission guidelines. So it will be redirected to the submission page and also the guidelines. So how we will prepare our research paper, all the details and author's guideline you will find out here. And if you want to publish the article, so just click on volume and issue. So all the things will be displayed on this particular things. Now menu, just click on the menu. So here you will there is a option authors and editors and my account. So before publication you have to create your login and ID password. So if you are new on this particular platform, then you have to sign up with your credentials. So accordingly you have to submit your research paper. Next category UGC approved journal is Asia Pacific Management Accounting Journal. This journal also related to the management and commerce and so many topics covered by this journal. So firstly focus on the topic, what types of this topic. So topics of interest include like management, if you are a management student or researcher, practices, sustainability, management accounting, environmental accounting, contemporary management accounting, strategic management accounting and many others. So like this type of the topics can be published with this UGC approved journal. So what type of this particular journal, if you want to know more about this journal, so this is journal description. Here you will get about this particular journal. So this is which is based in Japan based research article से research journal है, and really in publication since 2006. It was once in a year, this is publication time, but in the present scenario you can see here, so the journal onwards 2010 twice a year. Now in the present scenario 2018 onwards thrice a year, means 3 months, thrice a year means 4 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा. एंड व्हाट आर द मंथ्स? सो अप्रैल, अगस्त एंड दिसंबर, दीज आर द पब्लिकेशन मंथ्स. सो इन दीज मंथ्स योर रिसर्च पेपर विल गेट पब्लिश. सो दिस इज upcoming. If you will submit right now, so your research paper will get published in the month of December by 2020. So this is a kind of publication time in this particular UGC approved journal and quick publication journal. And also this journal also belongs to the ESCI journal, so you can also cross verify with the things that we have already explained how we will check. So if you have you don't know, so just click on my playlist. So just go to my channel and click on playlist, and here you will get research related videos. So click on the research related video playlist, and here you will get so many stuff, so many videos on the research, how we will publish our research paper. बहुत सारे आपको वहाँ पर वीडियो मिल जाएंगे रिसर्च से रिलेटेड. तो जस्ट एक्सप्लोर माई प्लेलिस्ट. सो चैनल पर जाके आपको प्लेलिस्ट पर क्लिक करना है. प्लेलिस्ट में वहाँ पर आपको एप्रोप्रिएट प्लेलिस्ट चूज करना है. प्लेलिस्ट के अंदर कौन से टॉपिक से अगर आप रिसर्च से रिलेटेड फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द रिसर्च रिलेटेड वीडियो. दिस इज ए पर्टिकुलर playlist. So you can find so many topics that you want to explore related to the research purpose only. Now submission guidelines. So how we will submit and what are the guidelines we have to follow. So you can find out here authors guideline, left hand panel side for authors, submission guideline, author guideline, manuscript preparation, ethics statement, copyright notice. So all the things you can explore accordingly. And if you want to know about the published articles, so here you can explore volume 15 issues recently published in August 2020. तो अगस्त में इनका इशूज पब्लिश्ड हुआ है, तो आप यहाँ से सर्च आउट करके देख सकते हैं कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स ये कवर करता है. टॉपिक्स भी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस. Now about this journal ISSN number. So this journal published in print version and also the online version. So this is also the very good news. So most important thing about this journal, this is also UGC approved journal, ESCI index journal, quick publication journal, and it's covered so many topics. So all the things are given here, just explore at your level also. Next one is the Bailey online library. So the Journal of Corporate Accounting and Finance. So this journal is especially related to the accounting, finance, commerce like this, or management. So this is a special video for management student and kind of this for me. So most important thing about this journal, so this journal published quarterly. So you can see here your research paper will get published within 3 months. 3 months के अंदर बाइले पब्लिकेशन के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा. यूजीसी अप्रूव्ड जर्नल है, क्विक पब्लिकेशन जर्नल है. एंड इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट द एम एंड डिस्को व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ द टॉपिक कवर्ड बाय दिस जर्नल, सो जस्ट रीड आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन. हियर यू विल गेट फाइंड all the related topics and titles that you can publish your research paper. So this is a really very good opportunity to publish your research paper in the good publication and also the good indexed journal. So apart from the UGC approved journal, this journal also having the indexing in the ESCI Clarivate Analytics. So this is also very good news. So you can publish your research paper within 3 months by lay publication and UGC approved journal, and there are so many topics covered by this journal. If you want to know about more of this journal, so just click on about and submit an article. अगर आपका research paper already ready आप कर चुके हैं, how we will submit, so just click on submit an article. So accordingly you can submit this your article in this journal. So this is really very good journal. Next category is the UGC approved journal is the Tourisma. So international scientific journal. So this is also UGC approved journal. So there are so many types are available. So if you want to know about this particular journal more, so you can explore according to this. So let's concentrate on this publication time. So this section will cover the history and description of this journal. So here you will get all the kind of the topics covered by this journal and what is the publication frequency. So you can see here from 2011 the journal is published 4 times a year, means within 3 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा इस क्वालिटी इंडेक्स जर्नल यूजीसी अप्रूव जर्नल में, quick publication journal and also the very good journal. And if we will explore aim and scope, so you can see right hand side section aim and scope, just click on aim and scope. So it will be redirected to the aim and scope, what types of the topics covered by this journal. Here you can find out so many topics covered by this journal, like you can see here tourism, travels and methodological and reports, significant case studies, hospitality and gastronomics topic, marketing, strategic management, event management, human HRM, education, environmental and sustainability, and many more topics. So this journal covers this type of the topic. If your research area falls under this category, then you can publish in this journal. So if you are looking for a UGC approved journal and also the SCI index journal, so this is a really very good journal. If you want to explore more about the journal, instruction for authors, how we will prepare our manuscript and research paper, so just click on this particular tab. So use this tab, so instruction for author. So here you will get all the information related to the research article preparation. So this is how we can publish our research paper in this quality index journal. So all the things are given here, just read out it carefully. So this is a instruction for author. This is a PDF. This is a kind of PDF, so you can see download it and follow all the guidelines to prepare your research paper. And you can see information on submission, all the things are given here, so just read out it carefully. Really very wonderful and good opportunity to publish your research paper in this quality index journal. Next UGC approved journal category, the South East Asian Journal of Management. So this journal is especially dedicated to the management, accounting, commerce, like this type of the topics covered by this journal. So this is a really very good opportunity to publish your research paper in this quality index journal, UGC approved journal. So research article in management, strategic management, organization, entrepreneurship, operation management, HRM, business organization topic. So this type of the topic covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this category, titles and topic, then you can publish your research paper. Now if you want to know more about the peer review process of this journal, how the all research paper will get peer reviewed by the peer reviewer, so all the things are process are given here. So publication frequency you can see here. So this journal published article twice a year, so 6 month के अंदर आपका research paper publish होगा in the month of April and October. So this is a very गुड न्यूज़ टू पब्लिश योर रिसर्च पेपर. ओपन एक्सेस कैटेगरी बिलोंग करता है. सो ओपन एक्सेस पॉलिसी मीन्स आप यहाँ पर सारी पब्लिकेशन चार्जेस के रिगार्डिंग आप सारी चीज़ें इन्फॉर्मेशन आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट द ISSN number, so this journal published article in the both type of category, online version and also print version. So दोनों categories में research paper publish किए जाते हैं. And if you want to for future and scope, so these all the tabs are given here that you want to know, like publication charges, copyright, complaint. अगर आपकी कोई complaint है, कोई issue है, तो आप directly इनसे connect हो सकते हैं कोई एक mail डालकर. Focus and scope, this is also very good news. So you can just explore focus and what types of the focus of this particular journal, so it will be redirected to your particular focus and scope. Publication frequency, review process, all the things are given here. So explore this journal very carefully. So these are the UGC approved journal and SCI index journal and quick publication journal. So friends, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, आपके रिसर्च में ये जर्नल सपोर्टिव हो, अगर आप यही जर्नल सर्च आउट कर रहे थे, तो हम ऐसे ही आपके लिए जर्नल्स लेकर आते रहेंगे. अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी है कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए. डेफिनेटली आई विल सपोर्ट बिकॉज इट्स माय मिशन एंड विजन टू सपोर्ट ईच एंड एवरी रिसर्चर. सो आप अपना प्यार दिखाइए. जस्ट हिट ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड आल्सो हेल्प योर फ्रेंड्स बाय शेयरिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.